Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video, we showed you the reveal of our first scorpion of our collection. Today, we're going to be setting up the enclosure for our number 2 second scorpion of our collection, which is
the burrowing scorpion tricolor.
Tricolored burrowing scorpion. I went to Hobby Lobby and I got a little display case for like a miniature helmet and drilled some holes in it, put a heat pad on the bottom. I'm gonna be setting it up for the scorpion today. First, I'm gonna be doing the dirt. The first scorpion I got was an emperor scorpion. That was number 1 of the collection. Number 2 is a tricolored burrowing. My sister decided once she found out I was gonna do a collection, she just showed up a little bit ago with another little scorpion. Can you see in that little hole? Because he's so tiny, I'm gonna keep him in here until he gets a little bigger. So this makes number 3 in my collection. That wraps up this video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it and stay tuned for more videos to add to my scorpion collection. Thanks for watching.